Shut up and sit down.
Gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and yeah, it's Prezzie time again, folks, and I have been sent a box. I've literally just sliced it open to remove the address label, but I've been sent a box by a good friend, Chris Connebear, down in Devon. So many thanks, Chris, for thinking of dear old Festa. So I'll just pop my address off, folks, and we'll have a looky-loo to see what Festa's got. Oh. Holy moly. Kawasaki Ninja there, folks. Look at that bad boy. Memory serves me right, I do believe this was Shinya Nakano and Randy Dupunier that rode these. So let's have a look. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, Kawasaki Ninja ZXR. Oh, holy moly, Chris. Excellent, mate. Look at that. So I need to decide now what variant I build. Do I build the Dupunier or do I build Shinya Nakano? Look at that, folks. Nice. Oh, nice sexy motorbike. Oh, there's even a bottle of paint in there. Oh, you legend. Oh, look at that. Legend. Oh, wow. I'm looking forward to doing this bad boy. Oh. Motorcycling porn. Motorcycling porn, folks. Take note. Look at that. Yeah, sir, I'll pull a wheelie. Yes. Festa needs to get out more. And also, oh my God, look at that. Now, I'm a huge Valentino Rossi fan. It's common knowledge. But I must admit, you can't help but admire what this guy's doing as well in the sport. Young Marc Marquez, currently recovering from a very severe injury to his arm. So I'm looking forward to seeing him back racing soon. But look at that, folks. And this is the Repsol Honda RC213V from 2014. And there's something seriously sexy about this bike. I mean, I remember doing the Repsol Honda back in the days when Valentino rode for them. But this bike, you know, it's affectionately called the Bucking Bronco at the moment with a B, because it is really difficult to ride, but he seems, you know, in the past seems to have mastered the Honda, and this is a beautiful example. So I kind of feel that I might be treating myself to the detail upset for this and try and do a seriously sexy job on it, because yeah, it's an iconic bike and he's an iconic rider, isn't he? Let's be honest. So there you go, folks. Look at that in there. Have you some of that? There's all the bits and bobs. So I can imagine we are going to have a great fun building this bad boy. So I shall order all the paints in for it and get that all sorted. But I do feel a detail upset coming for that to embellish the brakes and the forks and things like that. So I'm going to put some money to one side. And hopefully, Chris, for your kindness, big man, I hope I do this build justice for you, mate. So I'm looking forward to filming that. So I've got a nice little selection of bikes that I'm going to be building soon, folks. So keep a lookout for them. And yeah, again, Chris, many thanks, mate, because little old Festa, mate, you know, it's nice that folks are thinking of him. You know, me even, I'm talking about myself in the third tense there, or the third person even. But no, thanks for thinking of me, mate. And yeah, there's two very beautiful examples of motorbikes there, mate. So yeah, a big props to Chris Connebear down in Devon, a good dear friend of mine, aka Lily the Pink. Look at that. Nice selection, mate. Thank you very much, big fella. Little old Festa, mate. Yeah. Top job. Thank you, very glad. And I look forward to building both of these, mate. And I'll be pimping you all through the videos, mate. Because that act of kindness is very nice, mate. So I'll leave you there, folks, with a bye-bye for now, and catch up with you soon. Take care, stay safe, love you all. Brum, 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 brum.